Flower of the day. These are some osters we have here. We saved these from a project. I've talked about it before. I think they are the hosta, maybe some and substance, and they have a real. I've got my grapes here. I'm eating grapes this morning. They got a real rib back, so the slugs don't like them at all. So it's really tough on the back, and you can see they look beautiful. The flowers are coming up, and they've really established themselves. They like this area. They're working well, so that was worth saving. Now let's get on with today. Well, it's not a very good day today. It's raining, and we've got to get our stone dust in this morning. They've arrived. They're here on the dot. They've been here about 5 minutes, so they're here. So we're going to put a membrane down now to make sure that the stone dust doesn't go all over the road. And because stone dust is a byproduct, you've got to watch it, because it just makes a mess otherwise. So they've got the membrane down now, and they're going to get it tipped on there. You can just see them now, and got to get it in and try and get it in quick before it absolutely pours down. Hey. Well, there's the first one. 5 ton to get in. Well, there we are. We've got nearly half of it in. We haven't been going that long, so got a little bit more to do over that side. We've ordered 5 ton. Let's hope that we don't have to take any away. It's sometimes a little bit difficult. If you have to take some away, it's probably not so bad as what it was if you had to go and pay for a bulk bag, which is twice the amount. But we're getting there. There we go. It's in. Well, the lads got it in. I've raked. We've got to compact it now. Run over with a compactor plate. We'll go down a little bit. They've got 1 in the wheelbarrow there, and they tell me there's about 2, maybe 3 on the floor. So we may need that. I'm not quite sure at the moment. But what I'll do is I'll compact this first, or maybe I'll just give it another rake over or a screed, just to get it a little bit more flatter, and so when we compact, it compacts nice and even. But either way, it needs a severe compaction to ensure that it doesn't sink again in the future. But I'm sure it will go down a bit, but it looks pretty level. It's not far off, but it's surprising sometimes how much it will go down. Right, Jack, is it all in?
Yeah.
How much you got in? You and Kyle?
5.5 ton.
5.5 ton. Do you reckon it was over 5.5 ton? Yeah. But it doesn't matter.
5 ton delivery.
And we did it fast, but it's not about speed, is it?
No.
You do realise he's walking over what you just raked?
Yeah, he's done it the whole time.
Yeah.
He's jealous of my bowling green.
And it's looking good, Jack. I don't know if I should run the whacker over it.
I would. Get a job done properly.
There we go. This is the aero board. You can either get it in cladding or you can get it as decking, and this is their charcoal color. Look at that, absolutely stunning. This is the back of it. This is how they burn it, they treat it. It's kiln dried as well, and then it ends up like this. You can see on here where they got the expansion joints here. And let me just have a look. Just come and have a look at this now. This is normal decking, what we've been used to for years. Seeing this go down is almost like watching Charlie Dimmock put that gold flint or that blue slate in a garden. Absolutely awful. What would you rather? Some of that or some of this?